I think this is a fail. Look at this. Look at that. Look at it. This is not even good. I don't think this is gonna work. By the way, this is my Harry Potter wand. This is never gonna work, guys. I don't think this is gonna work. Oh god, it's so, oh my god. Oh, I thought it was gonna go on the floor again. I just took out the hair that was on the floor because my little sister likes to pull out her hair most of the time. Oh my god, this is not even gonna work. I'm expecting it to turn into neon purple, I thought, but no. Oh my god. Ew, I saw that on my slime. This, turn off. This is never gonna work. This is never exactly gonna come working. This is never gonna work. Look at this, guys. Look at this. I'm gonna make sure that it doesn't fall. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is never gonna work. Ooh. Look at this. Look at the color. I know in the camera it looks kind of yellowish, but in my vision, in real life vision, it's kind of brown. Ew. 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 No. No. I'm not having that. No. I'm not having that. Look, it's melting quickly. This is a water slime from Neon Slime. One was pink and one was green. I wanted purple and pink, but my childhood friend said he doesn't have any pink. I'm like, he doesn't have any purple, and I'm like, dang it. I asked him if he had blue, and he said that his little brother stole it. I'm sad. I'm kind of mad at him. And this is never gonna work. Look at this. This is so black. I'm trying to mix it as best as I can, guys. You guys, I need help. Stop it. Get some help. I need help. I'm like, I need to stop and get some help. Look at it. Ew. Oh. That was close. And what? How? How is that even possible? Look at that. How? That's insane. Look at it. I'm gonna try to tear it in half. What? What? Can you guys hear it? You guys hear it? Oh my god. Ew. Look at it. Oh my god, the pink hasn't mixed. Darn you, pink. I'm gonna flip it. What? It's not even mixed. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. This is not even mixed. Whoa. Duh. Oh no. The pink hasn't been there. Ew, it's turning brown. Okay, I'm mixing this with my hand. I want to see if I can put this in my old phone case before I had a YouTube channel. I want to see if this fits. Please fit. Please fit. Please. Or not. Look at it. Ooh. It's turning brown when it shines in the light. Ew. Eh. Well, actually, I should use this. I'm sorry, guys. I gotta use it. It's turning immediately brown. Look at this, guys. Zoom in. Look at it. Oh, it's heavy. Have some slime. Oh, what is that? Wait, is that hair from my little sister? Okay, it's gone. Okay. I'm going savage right now. I'm gonna mix with this side. Stomp, stamp, stamp. Well, this is a complete fail. I don't know. I'm just gonna keep recording until it works already. I'm smashing. For your vision, my vision is it's turning brown. But in your guys' vision, it's yellow. Ew. I gotta. Ew, this is disgusting. Well, I'm gonna record this in the next video, guys. My phone is about to die right now. And look at the color. Ew. Ew. Okay. Bye, guys. Comment down below. And I have an Instagram, Kitty Grace. And I'm about to make another account in TikTok. I'm about to make an account in TikTok. I'm still thinking about that. And follow me on Instagram. And in Instagram, I already posted a few photos. So hope you guys have a good day. Have a good spring. Spring is almost coming. Bye.